In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch mode on your Casio G-Shock GWM500A watch. This is really very simple, pretty similar to other Casio watches. We're going to start by pressing the mode button. It's the bottom left button 3 times to get to the stopwatch mode. You'll know you're in the right place because it's going to say STW in the bottom here. And then you should see some values that should represent the last time you used the stopwatch mode, what you had it set on. It's pretty simple. I wish they would have done the buttons a little bit different. Your start button and your stop button is down here on the bottom right. So you want to start your stopwatch, you're going to press the bottom right. Press it again to pause it. Press it again to resume. And then once it's stopped, if you want to reset it, you're going to use the top right button as your reset. To me, this is where the start and stop should have been, but hey, what do I know, right? While it's running, if you want to take a split, you can press the top right button, and now you've got your split. Press it again to release the split. I should mention that you don't have to stay in the stopwatch mode. You're going to see this little indicator that's going around letting you know that your stopwatch is running, but if you get out of the mode, that will stop. And you'll basically just have your regular views. But you'll notice, let me go back to the timekeeping. So I'm sitting in my timekeeping, everything looks normal, but my stopwatch is still running in the background. If I go back to the mode, there's my stopwatch running. If you want to take the measurements of 2 different runners, if you're a coach or something like that, you're going to start when the runners take off running. They're running, they're doing their race. The first runner finishes, you're going to press the top right button, just like you're doing a split. So that's the time of your first runner. Second runner is still going. When your second runner finishes, you're going to press the bottom right button. That's going to stop your stopwatch. There's the time of your first runner. Press the top right button. There's the time of your second runner. Press the top right button again, and you reset back to 0. Basic stopwatch functionality. The only other thing to mention is you do have an hour indicator here. If you start the stopwatch and it goes over an hour, this will increment. It will run for up to 24 hours and then it will reset to 0. And then as always, when you're done, you're going to press the mode button a few times, get you back to your main timekeeping mode. That's how you use the stopwatch feature on the module 3405. I hope the video helped.